All right, so look what we've got here. A brand new Corky's Universal Flapper. Because the old flapper, look at this. Who looks in their toilet? Isn't that disgusting? I mean, maybe stainless steel bolts, people? You think about that since they're sitting in water? Anyhow, we're going to teach Ann how to fix a toilet right now. So right now she's ripping open the Corky's package.
Like Christmas.
Just like Christmas time. And got a lot of reflections here. Sorry about that. So all you need to do...
Hold on. I'm trying to get it out of the package.
Alright, so...
Oh, it's got its own little chain and everything.
So
Alright, so let me take this.
So these two things, you just need to fill those two black bars, like handlebars. See the little handlebars?
Okay, and then where do I put the chain? On that
Don't
thing?
worry about the chain right now. So what you're going to do is take the old one off.
Alright, well, I'm going to take
Actually,
the
no,
old one.
disconnect it from here first. Let's disconnect it from this chain first. So disconnect that.
I understand that. I'm trying to figure out how to get it to where it comes off. A guy invented this.
It's just like, you just push it up that way there. There we go. Now I got it. Look at that. It's nasty in there. It's nasty. Toilets. Why do people like running water in their house? It's nasty. Alright, so just take that old flap out of there. So now it just fits over those little handlebars. Just slide up with a handlebar there. There we go. The Corky in the sink over there. That's the old Corky. And I'd probably say put the new Corky. Maybe put the chain on first.
This has a different chain. Different kind of chain.
And like that third hole. And
I can't see. 1, 2, 3. The third hole.
So let's put those little ears over the handlebars. There we go. Take your time. Yep, that one's on. That's not, you can put through the hole in that one roll up. Be nice to it. Be mean to it. Be very nice to it. Only about one.
I'm always very nice.
Now, let's see if it fills up with water. So far, so good. What happened to the old Corky, we don't know.
It got old and tired.
Next, you fill it up with it. Just flush it out.
Actually, it broke. Look, this is what happened to it. This part broke.
Why? I know that broke. Why?
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, the styrofoam in there didn't really do much. So it's keep it from sweating, and that really didn't work. So you can do that or not do that to make a waste of time.
The only way we're going to tell if that works is if it does its thing correctly. If it doesn't look like it's positioned well, to me, but I guess the water will be the test. Is that what you're telling me?
It stops running. See what it's working.
Well, once it gets all the way up, we should do a full water warning to see if it's worked.
It's like washing water bowl.
What do you call this part?
That's just the water inlet float.
Float?
Yep, it's almost ready. All right, give it a flush. See what happens. Go, Corky, go! Oh, we made it. Alright, we might be good. Alright, we're signing off.
Thank you for the lesson.
Yep, you save yourself $100.